If you want to find love again, you have to believe. I don't mean hope a little or wish sometimes. I mean believe, even if you lost the love of your life, even if your heart was broken, even if you have 20 reasons why it won't work for you, because love does not come to the people who have doubts. It comes to the people who decide. And today I want to show you how belief actually works and how it worked for me. Why belief is not just thinking positive. Belief isn't pretending everything is fine. Belief is an inner knowing that stays even when dating is messy, frustrating, and disappointing. And after my divorce, I didn't rush into dating. I needed time to get myself sorted out first. But even then, I had this belief that when I'm ready to start dating, I will meet my person. I had no doubt. I didn't know when, but I didn't really need to, because that belief became the force that carried me forward. And no, I'm not special. I'm 56, I was living then in a small city of 40,000 in southern Finland, and dating wasn't always great. Sometimes I felt very impatient and sometimes frustrated and discouraged. But right now I want to show you how to get your belief back. So step 1, remove doubt. Here's the truth. There's no room for doubt inside real belief. So let's do a short exercise. You can close your eyes if you want to. So for a moment, imagine love in front of you. Not a person, just a shape or energy. It feels calm, certain, beautiful. There's no anxiety in it. There's no chasing. There's no doubt. Now bring that feeling into your body, your chest, your stomach, your breath. That energy does not contain doubt. It cannot survive inside it. Doubt will still try to sneak in, of course, but love energy is stronger. Step number 2, act from the belief. Belief without action becomes frustration. And here's the question I want for you to ask yourself. If I truly believed love was coming, how would I treat myself today? This is where attraction is built. It is something that if something makes you feel unattractive, ask, what can I do about this? The key here is for you to feel attractive. And yes, I'll say the cliche because it is true. Become the person you would want to date. Not to impress someone, but because confidence is felt, not explained. When you feel good about yourself, people feel it immediately. Which takes us to step number 3. Trust the in-between. This is important. Belief doesn't mean every date will be amazing. Belief means you trust the process, even when it's unclear. When I started dating after my 23-year marriage ended, I didn't know what I was looking for. And that was okay. Clarity often comes through experience, not from before. So each day taught me something, and it will teach you something. What you want, what you don't want, and what your body says yes or no to. Belief keeps you open while clarity is forming. If you're ready to start believing love again, I have linked a free belief homework below. It's simple, gentle, and designed to bring back to trust, one step at a time. Step 4, stay your course, even when it's hard. I dated actively for about 1.5 years. And right before I met my person, I met someone really wonderful. I liked him a lot. He was kind, he was stable, he was safe. My friends and sisters said, why won't you give him a chance? And I tried. We went on a few dates and I wanted to feel it, but something was missing. And this is the hardest part of dating. When you have belief and clarity, letting go of good people who are not your person, I mean, it feels awful, but my inner knowing was clear. And that belief helped me trust myself, even if it hurt. And even if I didn't know when I would meet the person that actually I fell in love with. Here's something that surprised me a little. When I was rejected, it didn't happen many times, but it did. It didn't destroy me because belief instantly reframed it. If someone walked away, the answer simply was, well, they're not my person. No drama, no spiraling, no stories. Belief creates clarity, and clarity, that was a hard one, creates peace. Belief is a life force. I can be self-critical like anybody in some areas of my life, but when it came to love, I knew, not when, not how, just that it would happen. And here I am now teaching you how to start believing again, despite your past, because when belief is real, it carries you through uncertainty, rejection, and waiting straight into love. Let me know in the comments if you believe in love or not. I hope to see you in the next video. Love and light. Bye.